Jeep owners, every time you pull up to a gas pump, you're making a decision that affects your Jeep's engine health, whether you know it or not. And most Jeep owners make that decision based entirely on which station is closest or which price is cheapest, without ever considering what is actually inside the nozzle they are putting into their Wrangler, Grand Cherokee, or Gladiator. Today that changes. Because the difference between the gas that is quietly destroying your Jeep's engine over time and the gas that is actively protecting it is not about price. It is not about octane. It is about one specific thing that most Jeep owners have never heard of, and that once you understand, it will change where you fill up for the rest of the time you own your Jeep. The Pentastar of 6 that powers the vast majority of Jeep vehicles on the road right now, the 3.6-liter engine in the Wrangler, the Grand Cherokee, and the Gladiator, is a gasoline direct injection engine. And GDI engines have a specific and documented vulnerability to the fuel quality issue we are going to walk through today. The intake valve carbon buildup that GDI engines are known for is significantly accelerated by low-quality fuel and significantly slowed by the right fuel. Choosing correctly every fill-up is one of the most impactful engine protection decisions a Jeep owner can make. Let's get into it. The problem. What is actually happening inside your Jeep's engine? Before we get to the specific brands you should avoid and the ones you should seek out, you need to understand the problem that fuel quality directly affects. Because once you understand it, the brand recommendations make complete sense, and you will never think about fuel the same way again. In a gasoline direct injection engine, like the Pentastar V6, fuel is sprayed directly into the combustion chamber, rather than through the intake manifold. This improves combustion efficiency, but it eliminates something that port-injected engines benefited from: the constant washing of the intake valve surfaces with fuel on every intake event. In a GDI engine, the intake valves receive no fuel contact. They receive only the combustion gases and oil vapors that the PCV system recirculates through the intake on every drive. Those gases deposit carbon on the intake valve surfaces, carbon that accumulates with every mile. Here's where fuel quality becomes directly relevant. The combustion quality of the fuel burning in the cylinders determines how much carbon-forming byproduct gets recirculated back through the intake system. Clean-burning fuel with high-quality detergent additives produces less carbon-forming byproduct than poorly formulated fuel with minimum standard detergent packages. Over the life of a Jeep, the difference between consistently fueling with high-quality detergent fuel and consistently fueling with minimum standard fuel is the difference between intake valves that remain relatively clean and ones that accumulate significant deposit buildup that reduces airflow, causes rough idle, and eventually requires a professional cleaning service. Non-top-tier gasolines cause 19 times more engine deposits than top-tier brands after just 4,000 miles of simulated driving, according to AAA research. Such carbon deposits are known to reduce fuel economy, increase emissions, and negatively impact vehicle performance. Top tier. 19 times more engine deposits after just 4,000 miles. That is the number that matters. That is the number that tells you exactly how significant the fuel quality decision is every time you pull up to a pump. The standard that separates the good from the bad. Top tier. A group of automakers, Volkswagen, Toyota, Honda, General Motors, BMW, and Audi, developed the top-tier approved fuel standard, which requires increased levels of detergent additives compared to those in ordinary gasoline. These major automakers believe that the regular use of top-tier approved gasoline in their customers' vehicles will reduce the buildup of carbon deposits in their engines. Gear. The top-tier standard requires gasoline to contain 2 to 3 times the detergent additive concentration that the EPA's minimum standard requires. That detergent concentration is what reduces carbon deposit formation. The higher the detergent concentration, The cleaner the combustion process and the less carbon-forming byproduct gets recirculated through your Jeep's intake system. 105 retail brands are licensed top tier as of 2026. That is a significant number, meaning most major brands at most major stations you encounter on a daily basis are top tier certified. But it also means a significant number are not. And the ones that are not are the ones quietly building deposits in your Pentastar with every tank they provide. Gas price check. The full and current list is maintained at toptiergas.com. You can check any brand's certification status in 30 seconds. We strongly encourage every Jeep owner watching this to do that the next time they are deciding where to fill up. Gas price check. The 7 brands to avoid. Now the specific brands. These are the gasoline sources that consistently appear on the non-top tier list, meaning they meet only the EPA's minimum detergent standard rather than the elevated standard that the top tier program requires. Using these consistently is the behavior that produces the 19 times more deposit outcome that the AAA study documented. Brand 1, Murphy USA. The gas station chain most commonly found at Walmart locations. Murphy USA is not top tier certified. For Jeep owners who stop for gas during a Walmart run, this is consistently one of the most available non-top tier options, and one of the most commonly used by default. Convenient? Yes. Good for your Pentastar? No. Brand 2, Racetrack. A regional convenience and fuel brand that does not carry top-tier certification. The low-price positioning at Racetrack is the draw, but the lower additive package that enables that pricing is the cost your engine pays over time. Brand 3, Quick Trip's non-top-tier locations. Quick Trip is a popular convenience chain, and some of its locations carry top-tier fuel, while others do not. The inconsistency is the problem. You cannot assume top-tier status at a Quick Trip without verifying the specific location certification. When in doubt at a Quick Trip, check the pump for the top-tier logo before you fill. Brand 4, Sam's Club. Sam's Club is not top-tier. Costco is. This is the practical fuel quality differentiator between the two warehouse club gas programs, and is often the deciding factor when consumers compare them. Jeep owners who have a membership to both should be fueling at Costco, not Sam's Club, every single time. Gas price check. Brand 5, Kroger Fuel Centers. The fuel sold at Kroger-affiliated grocery store fuel centers, including Fred Meyer, Fry's, and other Kroger family brands, is not consistently top-tier certified across all locations. The fuel reward points that Kroger fuel centers offer are genuinely attractive, but the fuel quality trade-off for your Pentastar's long-term health is a cost that the point savings does not fully offset over the life of the engine. Brand 6, many independent and unbranded stations. Most independent unbranded stations are not top tier. Carrying the top tier mark requires the license fee and the additive package commitment, which independent operators often opt out of to compete on lowest pump price. The roadside station with the lowest price on the billboard is almost certainly non-top tier. That price advantage is real at the pump. The deposit accumulation it enables is also real, and it compounds over every tank. Gas price check. Brand 7, discount convenience store fuel brands. Brands that compete primarily on lowest in market pricing at convenience store chains, particularly regional and local brands without national recognition, are almost universally not top tier. If you do not recognize the brand name on the pump canopy, and the price is significantly below the market average for your area, assume not top tier and move to the next station. The 3 brands that actually protect your Jeep's engine. Now the 3 brands that deliver the detergent additive concentration your Pentastar needs and that the data consistently validates as the strongest options for engine protection. Brand 1. Shell. Shell is known for its nitrogen-enriched gasoline, which helps prevent carbon deposits. Shell has nitrogen-enriched gasoline that helps to clean deposits from your engine and prevents new deposits from forming. Shell's V-Power Nitro Plus formulation specifically carries an additive package designed not just to prevent new deposits, but to actively clean existing ones over time. For a Jeep Pentastar with accumulated intake valve deposits from prior non-top-tier use, switching to Shell V-Power Nitro Plus is the most accessible overtime cleaning treatment available at the pump without a professional service. Shell is consistently available nationally, is unambiguously top-tier certified, and carries one of the most specifically engineered additive packages of any retail fuel brand. Fuel Express, the engineering choice. Brand 2. Chevron with Techron. Chevron features Techron, a powerful additive that enhances engine cleanliness and efficiency. Techron is arguably the most recognized fuel additive brand in the automotive world, used as a standalone bottle additive by mechanics recommending fuel system cleaning, and incorporated directly into Chevron's retail gasoline at every fill. For Jeep owners specifically, Chevron with Techron is the brand recommendation that appears most consistently in technical Jeep forums, from Pentastar experienced mechanics, and from owners who have documented their intake valve cleaning intervals. The Techron additive's cleaning and deposit prevention capability is well documented and independently validated. Chevron is nationally available and consistently top-tier certified. Fuel Express. Brand 3. Costco Kirkland Signature Gasoline. Costco gas is top-tier gas and a Kirkland Signature product. The best thing about Costco gas is that you are spending less. You can save anywhere from 10 cents to 20 cents a gallon in the right locations. Costco's fuel is top-tier certified. It is typically the lowest price top-tier option in any market where a Costco station is available. And the Kirkland Signature quality commitment applies to the fuel just as it applies to every other Kirkland product. Consistent specification maintained across every Costco fuel location nationally. For Jeep owners with a Costco membership, this is the optimal combination of top-tier fuel quality and the lowest available price per gallon. The membership pays for itself in fuel savings alone in most markets, making Costco the single best routine fueling recommendation for any Jeep owner who has access to one. The engineering choice, the honest nuance, what this means in practice. Here's the honest practical picture that a responsible discussion of fuel brands requires. You do not have to find a Shell, Chevron, or Costco on every fill-up to protect your Jeep's engine. The top-tier program has 105 certified brands, including Exxon, Mobil, Phillips 66, and Valero, meaning the majority of the national branded stations you encounter regularly are likely top-tier certified. The 3 brands highlighted here are the strongest options, but any top-tier certified brand at any certified location is meaningfully better than any non-top-tier alternative. Gear. The practical rule is simple. Default to top tier. Check the pump for the top tier logo if you are not sure of a specific location certification status. Prioritize Shell, Chevron, or Costco when they are conveniently available. Avoid Murphy USA, Sam's Club, and unbranded discount stations as your routine fuel source. Additionally, if you have been consistently fueling your Pentastar with non-top-tier fuel and are concerned about accumulated intake valve deposits, add a bottle of Chevron Techron. Concentrate Plus to a full tank once every 15,000 miles. This is the same Techron chemistry that Chevron puts in its retail fuel at a higher concentration. providing a periodic deeper cleaning treatment for intake valve surfaces that routine top-tier fueling alone may not fully address if significant deposits have already accumulated. 7 brands to avoid. 3 brands that actively protect your engine. And 1 standard, top tier, that is the single most important thing to look for on any pump you put into your Jeep. The Pentastar V6 is a capable and durable engine in the hands of an owner who gives it what it needs. The right oil on the right interval, the right coolant, and the right fuel every single time you fill up. Every one of those decisions is yours to make. Every one of them compounds over the lifetime of your Jeep, and every one of them shows up eventually in the condition of the engine at 150,000 miles. Save this video. Share it with every Jeep owner you know. Drop a comment below telling us which brand you have been using and whether you have been fueling top tier or not. Be honest. We want to hear from this community. Subscribe for more Jeep maintenance guides, engine protection tips, and everything the dealership forgot to mention. New video every week. We will see you in the next one.